Required tools: battery, instrument panel, charger, headlight, panel, front fender, front wheel, rear fender, rear shock absorber, foot pedal. First, install the handlebar. Remove the handlebar pressing block. Install the handlebar. Hang up the screws. Do not tighten at first. Adjust the handlebar to a comfortable angle. Then tighten the screws. Remove the handlebar packaging foam. Remove the brake rubber plug. Insert the brake disc into the brake first. Pass the positioning washer through the front wheel axle. Position the washer in place. Install the nut. Tighten the screws. Remove the rear shock absorber screws. Pay attention to the installation direction of the shock absorber. Use short screws for the upper end. Install the rear fender together at the lower end. Use long screws for the lower end. Tighten the screws. Remove the front fender screws. Install the front fender. Remove the headlight screws. Install the headlight. Align arrow to arrow, connect the headlight wires. Install the dashboard, route the wires from the front. Install the nut on the top. Align arrow to arrow, connect the dashboard wires. Install the dashboard power button. Remove the corrugated pipe. Tie the headlight wires together. Tie the dashboard wires together. Install the panel. Place the cable tie head at the back. Tighten the cable tie. Put the cable tie end inside the panel. Install the footrest. Reflector faces backward. Tighten clockwise on the right side. Tighten counterclockwise on the left side. Install the battery. Lock the battery into the guide rail. Press it down once. Lock the battery with the key. Turn on the battery switch. Long press the power button. Start the dashboard. The initial password is 0000. You can also unlock it with an NFC chip. Installation completed.